spectacular. Remember to subscribe to the channel, to the Facebook page and also to the Instagram page. See you after the intro. For the general Tso chicken, we need naturally the chicken. They usually use piece of chicken with the bones. They remove the bones first. I will use the breast, more easier. So now we chop the breast and after we put in a marinade sauce. Okay, now we take one egg. At the egg we add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of rice wine. And after we add the chicken. Okay, now we should wait 10 minutes. During this time, we can prepare the sauce. For the sauce, you need 300 ml of water, tomato paste 2 teaspoons, rice vinegar 1 tablespoon, soy sauce 1 tablespoon, Thai chili paste 1 teaspoon, sesame oil 1 teaspoon, brown sugar 1 tablespoon, cornstarch 1 teaspoon. Our sauce is ready. We put apart. We take the chicken and we put the chicken in the cornstarch. Before and after we fry. Before I will fry the garlic because I like the taste but I don't like to eat the garlic. When the garlic start frying, we can add the chicken. Okay, fry the chicken, we put apart, we remove the oil from the wok and we put 1 tablespoon of oil again, new one. And after we add a piece of ginger, 3 dry chili and the green part of a spring onion. We put on the wok. When everything starts frying, we can add our sauce. When the sauce becomes thick, we can add the chicken. We cook maybe 1-2 minutes, no more. After we put in a dish we add some sesame seeds, again the green of the spring onion, and we can taste it. Spectacular. Naturally, this chicken you need to eat with the sticks. Bye bye. For any question, down in the comments.